Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer engine overheating issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Engine overheating in the Ford Explorer is generally described as the temperature gauge rising above normal, overheating warnings appearing on the dashboard, steam from the engine bay, or the vehicle entering a reduced power mode. Verified owner reports and service information show that overheating concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine type, cooling system design, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause is low coolant level or coolant loss. Leaks from hoses, radiators, or cooling system components can reduce the system's ability to regulate engine temperature. Inadequate coolant circulation can quickly lead to overheating, especially during extended driving or hot weather. Another confirmed cause involves thermostat failure. A thermostat that sticks closed can restrict coolant flow through the engine and radiator, causing rapid temperature increase. This issue has been documented across various Explorer engines and is often associated with sudden overheating. Cooling fan-related issues are also a verified factor. If electric cooling fans or fan control components fail to operate correctly, airflow through the radiator may be insufficient, particularly at low speeds or while idling. Owners have reported overheating primarily during stop-and-go driving in these cases. Water pump wear or failure has also been documented. Reduced coolant circulation due to pump degradation can cause overheating, sometimes without visible external leaks depending on engine configuration. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include radiator blockage, engine oil-related heat buildup, or sensor inaccuracies affecting temperature readings. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through diagnostic inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking coolant level and condition, pressure testing the cooling system for leaks, inspecting thermostat and cooling fan operation, and evaluating water pump performance. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer overheating issues are resolved through cooling system maintenance or component replacement rather than internal engine repair. However, outcomes vary by model year, engine design, and how quickly the issue is addressed. In conclusion, Ford Explorer engine overheating is typically linked to coolant-related issues, cooling component failures, or airflow problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.